Hello, my friends. Welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn about the letter H. We are going to make a horse craft out of the lowercase h. We're going to start by folding the paper 3/4 way down, and then we're going to fold a strip on the side. Then we're going to cut out a little rectangle from the top. Then we're going to bend the other part in half and cut out a curved shape. After that, we're going to cut out the inside of the letter H. Now we're going to separate our two H's. Now we have two, one for me and one for my little friend. Then we're going to use the inside of the H to make the head of the horse. And not to waste paper, we're going to use this little scrap to make the ears. Now that we have all the cutouts we need, we are going to add some glue and some googly eyes and some yarn. Now it's time to get started. Hello.
Hi.
Today we're learning about the letter H. Do you know any animals that start with the letter H?
Hedgehog and hen and horse.
Very good. And today we're going to make a horse out of a lowercase h. We're going to glue the letter H onto the piece of paper, and then we're going to use this part to make the head. What do you think our horse needs now?
Our horse needs eyes.
We're going to add the eyes onto the horse. After that, I think we need to add some ears. Are you ready to add some ears?
Yes, I am.
Good job! That looks great. What do you think our horse needs now?
It needs a tail.
That's right. We're going to use this yarn to make a tail. I'm going to wrap it around your hand, and then I'm going to tie it off. Then you can stick it onto your horse. Now I'm going to make a tail for my horse. Now the horse needs a mane, and that's the hair on the top of the horse's head. What kind of hair do you want for your horse?
I want the horse to have short hair like me.
I'm going to give my horse long hair like mine. Can you help me braid it?
Yes, sure.
Now we're going to write the word horse on top. Do you know how to spell it?
Yes, Horse.
Good job! Now let's practice writing the letter H on the bottom. I really enjoyed making this craft with you.
Me too. I enjoyed learning about the letter H.
I hope you enjoy making this craft with your little ones. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.